Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add header and footer in Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show. Now going to the file menu option. Now click for open. Open your file. Now find this file. Now for click. Then click open file. Then add header and footer. Now going to the file menu option. Now click for print option. Then scroll your mouse. Now click for header and footer option. Now for click. Now scroll your mouse. Now click for edit custom field option. Now content area. Now press from. Header. Now click for confirm option. That is, then I show. Now click for next option. That is, then I show. Add header and footer in Google Sheets. Now change header and footer in the content area. Now click. Now going to the again file menu option. Now click for a paint option. Now click for header and footer option. Now click for edit custom field option. Then now select from side in content area. Now for text and header. Now click for confirm option. Now click for next option. That is, then I show change here header here. Now for change in the header and footer. Then I show add header and footer in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.